It's just so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a bad thing for me to try to say. How I feel in my pride is the one to blame. Yeah, I still don't understand just how you left me doing no less can. I'm looking so crazy right now. You lost. I'm looking so crazy right now. I'm looking so crazy right now. In touch. I'm looking so crazy right now. You save me right now. You kiss me. You save me right now. I'm so crazy. I'm looking so crazy. I'm looking so crazy right now. 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 You save me right now. You save me right now. I'm so crazy. I'm looking so crazy.
Mawawalan ako ng leeg. Alam niyo ba yun? Angas. Hindi ako pwede magwala dito eh. Hindi naman! Ulit. Okay, balik na. Wala na. Balik na. Una. Damari ka to, Dasha! Ano? Sasayaw pa ba ako? Na! Sayaw pa. Yes, sabi yan ah. Ah! Yes, alam ko kapag illegal beans. Pag illegal beans kasi, magme-message sa'yo yung Bigo. So, kaya nagkakaroon ng illegal beans. Kasi yung mga nagre-recharge ng Baya, Google Wallet, nire-refund nila yon. So, dapat, kapag naging illegal beans yon, dapat maano sa kanila yon, madededuct dapat sa kanila yon. Pero kung walang laman, yung wari, yung nagbagsak sa'yo, walang laman yung account niya, sa'yo madededuct. Yun yung tinatawag na illegal beans. Yan lang hindi ko alam. Tignan mo lagi yung live data mo. Pag may nakita kang minus, kasi may makikita ka dyan minus sa live data mo, it means illegal beans yun. nag-data yan pag may nakita ng minus yun. Yun. Eh? Be careful. Ano? Gusto niyo ulit?
Use it, break it, fix it, trash it, change it, melt it, grade it, chart it, point it, zoom it, twist it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, pretend it,
Eh! Yeah! Eh! Hello, bitch! You can fuck with me! Putang ina mo! Gago ka. Ese ka.
Did you